Welcome to MoreApp, the leading field service tool with the safest and most user-friendly app to streamline workflows and improve collaboration within your team. In this video, we will tell you all you need to know about us and our product. We are here to make your life easier. We do so by helping you to optimize your processes, automate your workflows, and improve collaboration. How do we make your life easier? Well, by giving you the right tools. You are working with an intuitive and user-friendly app and platform. Our awesome support team is always there for you with extra help, tips, and encouraging words. With us, your data and privacy are safe. We are ISO 27001 and ISO 27701 certified, which means we comply with the highest standard for security and data protection. Connecting your team better than ever, our software is time-saving and efficient. Our tool is available in 7 languages. And we are a sustainable solution. By digitizing your paperwork with MoreApp, you not only reduce paper usage, but also contribute to reforestation projects. Your team will be fully connected, meaning no data in the field will be missed. You can send clear tasks, and after submitting a form, all involved parties will receive an automated email. All data is sent in real time. Use our platform to manage your forms, users, data sources, and results. With our intuitive form builder, you can easily create your own forms by using our drag and drop widgets to adjust the form to your company's needs. Simplify your forms by adding conditions and set up automated emails with professional reports to inform all parties involved. Integrate MoreApp to your software and get the most out of it. Need to fill out forms? You can easily access forms and receive tasks in our app. The app works both online and offline. Your work will automatically be saved to the cloud and synchronized to all your devices. Our app is available in the App Store, Google Play Store, and web version. Automatically send a personalized report, including your company logo and colors in your preferred output, PDF, Word, or Excel format. Your reports have never looked more professional. Do you need some extra assistance? We are happy to help. In our Help Center, you can find answers to frequently asked questions and awesome video tutorials. For other questions and more, you can get in touch with our support team. Customers rate our support service with 4.8 stars out of 5. We plant trees for every customer together with Tree Nation. As our customer, your company contributes to making a positive impact by supporting our projects and by reducing paperwork. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. You are now ready to get started with MoreApp. Get ready for your own digital revolution. Good luck!